You're going to start with some fresh pomegranate seeds. You can also use pomegranate juice. I like to use fresh. 1 egg. You're going to do 1 tablespoon of castor oil and 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. I pre-melted it. And I'm doing 7 drops of frankincense oil. That's optional, but you can use different oils. You could do rosemary oil. You could use frankincense oil. I like the frankincense. This mixture smelled really good too. Then I'm using a potato masher here to mash this up and get it all blended. I'm mashing those seeds in because I want them like freshly mashed. Now you could also use a mortar and pestle for this. Then I'm going to give it a good whisk because of the egg in there. I want to fluff this up a little bit. So giving it a good whisk after it's thoroughly mixed will help to fluff those eggs up. Okay, so you can see that I've been doing a bunch of styling on my hair, so it's kind of like a little frizzy. I'm going to show you what I do. I've got the mixture here. I've mixed it up really well, and I like to kind of separate my hair out and start with the middle piece of it. And I'm just going to just go straight in and just start adding this to my hair. Now, you can strain it if you want, but I like to just go ahead and put it in there with the seeds and all. And the reason is because once I go to wash my hair, those seeds are going to help to exfoliate it a bit. So they do start to get around and get places. So you're just going to just start adding this to your hair, adding this mixture to your hair. And oh my gosh, you're going to love the way your hair turns out. And you're going to love the way this turns out. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to just go ahead and clip this part here to get it out of the way, because I've already put the mask on there. So I'm just going to put the mask all over. And then once I've completely covered my hair, you can sleep on it. You can throw a little bonnet on and sleep on it. Or the other thing you can do is you can just wash it out after 20 minutes, 30 minutes. That's what I'm going to do today. So I'm putting this over the bowl. I'm just going straight in here. I don't know if you can see me here. I'm going to pull this over a little bit. Oh man, this is going to tame my hair so well with all of these fantastic hydrating ingredients in here. And pomegranate is just really good nutrition and vitamins for your hair that's going to get straight down into the follicle and encourage a bit of growth. So now I've got this one ready to go. I'm just going to put this guy up here. My husband's like, "You're always making messes." And if you'll notice, I like to make my mixture in the kitchen, but then I like to come up and put it near the bathroom. So I find it a little bit less messy. Here we go. Oh, wow. Nice. I'm just going to go right in here and dip my hair in that mixture right into the bowl. I'm just going to bring this all the way in. Wow. This is so good. Let my hair soak that up. Now, with the egg in the mixture, you might find that your hair gets a little hard, like when this dries, when this starts to dry. But you'll be amazed. Like when you wash it, as soon as you wash it, it just all comes right out. And it's going to give your hair like a really nice shine to it, as well as take out that frizz. So that frizz that I had going on, it will take it all out. And I'm just going to go ahead and, oh, this feels so good in my hands too. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Yep. Perfect, perfect. I'm just going to go a little more up here. Just want it just to soak all the way in. And I've got it in the back here. One more little round here, right down the back. All right. I'm going to tie this guy up with a little clip, and I'll be back as soon as I'm done showering, and we'll show you the final results. So now you can see that my hair went from this to this. So that's pretty cool. Already it's got a much better shine on it. I'm going to show you the back of it as well. So you can see it went from like frizzy and kind of like to shiny, and like it lost the dullness in the hair. So that's it. Do it about once a week, and I would love to hear what you think of it, or if you're willing to try it with seeds or without. What do you think?